Aniket is there now.
Hello
And
everyone.
Kapil
Hi.
and Surendra.
Hi.
Yeah. So they came here to attend the workshop. Nice to see all of you. And today our workshop will be of Mame bonsai. Mame bonsai means small bonsai. So I would like to show first. I would like to show you all the mame. Actually, bonsai means is a miniature form of the nature. We are making a small plant. That too, mame are showing bonsai means it is too small, and we are making in a miniature form of a tree. So first we will show the collections of our friends and mine and everyone's plants are there. I'll show them. The hand is called as a Shohin bonsai or Mame bonsai. So this plant we can handle with one hand. So that was called as a Shohin bonsai. In Shohin bonsai, all these plants are comes under Shohin bonsai. So we can handle with one hand. Class, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So actually, as I told you, Shohin bonsai means the plant which we can lift with a hand is called as a Shohin bonsai. In Shohin bonsai, when you come to small bonsai, there are, according to the size, 4 sizes are there. First one is the Shohin bonsai. Second is Mame bonsai. Can you read it? Can you see this one?
Yes, we can read it.
Yeah. Second is Mame bonsai. Third is Shete Shito bonsai. Fourth is Kaishi bonsai. Keishi Kaishi bonsai. If you come to Shohin bonsai, that is of 10 to 12 inches size. 10 to 12 inches size is called as a Shohin bonsai. It comes under that last one, lipstick ficus, as I told you, that comes under the. Thank you. Someone wants to. Yeah. This one comes under the Shohin bonsai. This is below 12 inches, so this is called as the Shohin bonsai. And second one is the Mame bonsai, that is 8 inches. Then Shete bonsai is 6 inches and Kaishi bonsai is 3 inches. So according to the size, they divided into so many names: Shito, Kaishi, Mame and Shohin. And if you take the Mame bonsai, this will be of 8 inches. This is the Mame bonsai. All these plants, they can be lifted with one hand. This is the Mame bonsai and it is of 8 inches. Below 8 inches, this is called as the Mame bonsai. And third one is the Shito bonsai, which is 6 inches. This is the one. This is the Shito bonsai. And last one is the called as the Kaishi bonsai. That is the smallest one, fingertip one. Can you see this one? This is the smallest bonsai. So we can lift with a finger. We can lift with a finger. This is called as the Kaishi bonsai.
What's the age of this one?
This is 1 year old. And you can see this one is also 1 year old. The roots are also coming out now. This is also a small bonsai. This is also a Shito bonsai. Very small part. You can see very small part. So this is also a Shito bonsai. And this one is also a Shito bonsai. So Shito bonsai we can lift with fingers, 2 fingers, and Kaishi bonsai only 1 finger. Only 1 finger is a Kaishi bonsai. Growing. This is the seed growing people plant. It is growing from the seed. So this one we can provide this plant and we can make them into a mame bonsai. This is the one. Then after that, second one is the from the branches. From branches. So branch, as all of you know, from the branch cuttings we can make so many plants. This is also a branch cutting, and I will show you some more plants. This is also a branch cutting growing plant. So this we have to shape them here, and we have to give a shape to the plant, and we can put them in the mame bonsai pots. Then after that one, grafting plants. Grafting plants also can be made into mame bonsai. These grafting plants are called as the, you can see ginseng ficus. China ficus is the grafted plant. This is the China ficus. They will graft over here. This is a collected plant from the wild. So collected plants also can be made into a mame bonsais. And one more is there. This is also a collected plant. This is also a collected plant. So this is also a Shohin bonsai. All of you can see. This is also a Shohin bonsai. Like this we can collect the plants from the wild and we can make them into bonsai. Then after that, last one is the nursery plant. Nursery plant is the one that can be made into a Shohin bonsai or the mame bonsai. Nursery plant. Brought it from a nursery. This plant is very tall plant. If you can see, there is a cut over here. If you can, for Shohin bonsai, we are using this type of pots, so they can be held in hand. So for Shohin bonsai, this type of pots are good. So it can be oval or rectangular shape. And for mame bonsais and Shito bonsais, we can use this type of pots. So they are very small and they can be used. This is also a small one. This can be used like this for the Shito bonsai. Then this is the Kaishi bonsai, and the last one we can take the small pots like this one and this type of pots. They are good for making into. Today we are making one Kaishi bonsai, one Shito bonsai, and one Shohin or mame bonsai. First one is soil, second one is peat moss, third one is the cocoa peat. These three ingredients are very important for the mame bonsai soil because they can hold the moisture and the root development will be more. So like this, when we are putting them in this soil in this pot, so it contains lot of moisture and there will be proper root development will be there. When you are taking the soil, first we have to sieve the soil. First we have to, you don't use the garden soil as it is. First sieve that soil and make it a smooth powder. Then after that, take the cocoa peat. Take the cocoa peat and again you have to sieve through this sieve and you have to make it into a smooth powder like this. And the last one is the peat moss. One portion of the garden soil. Here I am taking one portion of the garden soil. Here I am taking one portion of the garden soil. Then one portion of the cocoa peat.
Ma'am, what is the difference between coco peat and peat moss? I mean, is it like they do the same thing, right? I mean,
Coco peat is a coconut based.
Okay.
That it can't hold moisture as the peat moss.
Okay.
Peat moss holds lot of moisture. Actually, this soil needs more than 40% of moisture. So that's why we are using the peat moss.
So for
This
the normal bonsais, then we are not using peat moss.
we are not
coco
using
peat.
it. So the normal bonsais already soil is there, this manure is there, and instead of peat moss we are using the pumice stones. So here we are using the coco peat because if you are using the pumice stone, they occupy lot of space.
Okay.
So you have to reduce the space and you have to give more moisture to the plant, and that's why we are using the coco peat.
Okay.
So this is the coco peat and peat moss we are using. See the peat moss. If you see, it will be very lightweight and it will be this way. It will be in the dark color and it can hold the moisture. So that's why we are using the peat moss. And this is the soil, one portion of soil, one portion of the coco peat, and one portion of the peat moss. We'll mix them together. Now our bonsai, the mame bonsai soil is ready. This is our mame bonsai soil. It's ready anytime.
So ma'am, in this soil we are not using any fertilizer, or it is fertilizer mixed soil?
No, we are not using now. Then afterwards, actually, once we made the plant, so we are keeping in the soil.
Okay.
So we are giving the liquid fertilizers, and I will
Okay.
tell you all those things now. No? This is one plant. That's why I kept it in a pot, this plastic pot, and I want to make it into a root exposed style. First, I'll remove this one and see how many roots are developed, so we can make them into a Shohin bonsai now.
उठरे नीचे रखो।
Can you see clearly? No one is responding.
This
Ma'am, can you move the camera a little downward?
Hello?
camera downward.
Ma'am, can you move the camera a little downward?
No.
No, that can't be down. I will lift this one.
Is
No,
it?
no.
Okay.
There will be a problem. One minute, one
If you
minute.
touch it, it will go.
Ah, okay.
Can you see it now? This one. Anyone can help me now?
Yes, yeah.
Holding it.
Ma'am, how long have you kept it in the plastic?
This is more than 1 year old now.
Ma'am, actually for this small bonsai, I have some cuttings from my jade plant and I kept those cuttings in a separate pot. So those cuttings are also like.
Yeah, that cuttings also can be used for your mame bonsais. I'm removing this one. See the development of the roots now. The soil is very coarse soil, that is we are using, we use lot of pumice stones for the root development, proper root development. In the root exposed style, we will expose the roots and we will make them into a Shohin bonsai. We can make them a big bonsai also in the root exposed style. Now you can see the roots and everything. more side branches here. So we'll cut it down. Aniket? Seven. You cut. Above.
Where do you go? इसमें नहीं कचरा उसमें डाल दो.
I'll give it. Now we made a cut over here. Actually, any time we have to make a cut above the branch or above the leaf. That is the proper style. Now this one we lift it up. This is not enough. We have to make one more wiring over there. Wiring again the same lines of the first wire. Can you hold it? We can see proper rooting here. Not very tight. Mame bonsai pot. So we can expose the roots like this in this manner. So we'll keep it in a small pot like this and we'll expose the these are the pumice, one layer of pumice stones, and for this one I am using the bonsai soil. Not the bonsai soil we made. We are using the bonsai soil of normal bonsai soil, which consists of bonsai soil, garden soil, which consists of garden soil and manure and the pumice stones. One layer, and we have to tie the plant also. I am putting the fungicide now. The plantation is just like our bonsai plantation, plantation. Now I have to tie the plant. I took the wires here now. We will close that door. Put this one. This pot is having a very small hole. Go for that. We are taking a small piece of mesh and we are putting over the hole and small ones. Here come padega. We are loosening the roots here. It is having very less roots. This is too long, this root is, so we'll cut it off. We are putting the horizontal root over there. And this will be the plant. Here. This is big root is there. Just I'm looking at the root now.
Taproot.
It's they not China box is not having a taproot system. It is only the fibrous root system. Only the neem, tamarind, those plants are having the taproot system.
Ma'am, are there any specific plant species which we could use for Shito or?
Yeah. I will give the list also.
Okay.
Yeah. This.
Shito manje asli.
This is the root system of the plant now.
All the same.
I am putting the wire from the down.
Okay.
Thank you.
ऐसे एक बोलता हूँ.
Thank you.
Show him. We are not using any bottom soil here. Just we put the bonsai, the peat moss, cocoa peat and everything, and garden soil. Like this. Like this we have to put. And little moss over the mame bonsai soil. Shall I put it? Yes, ma'am. Can you hold it? Yes, ma'am.
40% moisture creating.
Now this is the mass we are putting over the. This branch is good for Kaishi bonsai. These are the cuttings made from the Sarasa foetida. So Sarasa foetida is also good plant for making into a mame bonsai, small bonsai, shohin bonsai, anything. So boxes is also a good plant. China box is also a good plant. Liftic ficus is good for shohin bonsai, and ficus rampi and ficus pelican, they are good for the shohin bonsais. So small leaves ones are good for shite, and dalim is also a good one. Tugger is dalim, small dalim, dark dalim. Tugger is also a good one. And I am taking this one, long one. First I will wire this one.
After some time, it dies.
It is required.
Jade is the best plant. For leaf reduction takes lot of time. That mame bonsai is making. Most of his plants are our mame bonsais, and he won many this one awards also all over the world. If you visit his Facebook, and YouTube, you can see all his bonsais, mame bonsais. And this is our plan now. And we are putting in the, now just we have to put the mesh. And tying this plant here. we'll put the Mame bonsai soil now. This is the we'll put some mass over there. It can be absorbed, the roots can absorb the water and there will be a proper development. If you keep it like this, then it can dry off. So it is better to keep it on a brick pieces or the pumice stones. Otherwise, one more thing is there. So if you take a big pot like this and keep your plant like this in the big pot, that also the development will be good. Then you have to once in a year you have to change the soil and you have to repot the plant in once in a year. Now once you put like that, there will be development, the roots will come down. You can cut off it after 6 months, you can cut off these roots and put it again. After 1 year, remove it completely and again put fresh soil and repot the plant again. Now this plant is only 1 year old plant. You can see the leaf size is too big. There is no reduction in the leaf size. If you see this plant is very, can you see this? Yeah. This plant is the reduction of this leaf size is very less, half of this size. This plant is already 3 years old plant. So it takes little bit time, then slowly the reduction takes place, then the plant will be into a good shape of your Mame bonsai. It is not reduced, the leaf size is as it is as a jade plant. So it takes little bit time, then it reduces slowly. It starts growing from the down. So after 8 months, then I will do it again. And for the defoliation, there is a method to reduce the leaf size that is called as the defoliation method. For the defoliation method, you can cut the leaf and leave it like that before the spring season, then the leaf size reduces. So we can do any defoliation once the plant settle in our pot. So if the plant is not settled, don't do anything. Now after that, then fertilizers, as for our bonsai pots, how you are using the fertilizers. Liquid fertilizers are good for this plant and NPK is for the best for growing plant. We can put the NPK in this pot, in the knot and our Kaishi bonsai. We put it around the soil here and the plant, the roots can take the fertilizer and the growth will be fast. Shohin bonsai and China box is also good. Chinese elm is also good, and Euphorbia I tried. Euphorbia also I tried. That one is also responding well. It is just only 2 years old plant. It is giving flowers, and Edenium is also a. Edenium is also a good plant to make it into a Shohin bonsai. Is there, we have to remove that one. First we will just wire the plant and we'll
After that you can remove. Yes.
Now we will reduce the size of the plant and we'll make it into a Shohin bonsai. This is the Kamini plant. So I want to reduce it. This V shape is not looking good. This V shape is not looking good. So we are cutting down this one and we are keeping only this much length here.
We can make it umbrella shape.
Here from the down we'll make it. This is it. Do you want to wire them?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wire it. I'll hold it, you wire it.